cake. We are using 7 ingredients here. The ingredients used are all-purpose flour half cup, four tablespoon cocoa powder, baking powder half teaspoon. Let's mix it. After adding dry ingredients, we need to mix it. Now we are adding wet ingredients. Half cup milk. Castor sugar 4 tablespoons. It's sticky, so I'm using a teaspoon. Four teaspoon oil. The last and the main ingredient, Nutella. We are using 4 tablespoons. Let's mix it again. And our batter is ready. Now we are going to bake it for 10 minutes in preheated oven. Now the cake is ready. Looks yummy. You can also try this recipe on gas top. Hey bro, let me ask you a question.
Shoot, bro.
One day, elephant and ant went for a bike ride and they met with an accident. Elephant got injured badly, but ant got escaped without any injuries. How?
I don't know, yaar.
Because ant was wearing a helmet.
Oh my god!